Breaking news. Dahua Wireless new arrivals.
Tell me more.
360-degree vision, no blind spot, pan, tilt, no problem.
So can we.
Stay here.
It's so hard to cover everything by myself.
Never fear, your hero is here. Different times, different places. I'm on patrol.
Hero focus on the inside. I will help you focus on the outside.
Oh my god, we have a problem.
I provide you with a fast way to communicate.
Which one should I choose for the sequence?
You can choose the pink one.
Okay.
What products can support frame movement?
Cube can do it. I easily adhere to many surfaces, so you can talk anytime, anywhere.
What if a stranger comes at night when I'm not at the store?
There's a car hanging around.
Please leave.
I'll leave right away.
I will help you check the figures and vehicles and provide their movement path to keep you well informed.
Whatever your needs are,
We will satisfy all of them.
Let us know if you need.
We're always here for you.
Hey, speak up about our needs.
Hello everyone, welcome to the 2024 Dahua Wireless Camera Series launch. I'm Danny from Dahua Overseas Marketing, an old friend of yours. Thank you so very much for joining us today. As wireless technology continues to advance quickly, the use of wireless surveillance cameras is becoming increasingly widespread. The core advantage lies in their convenient and flexible layout, as well as their ability to connect with multiple devices easily and require less maintenance. Dahua has always been very optimistic about the applications of wireless transmission technology in the field of security. Our extensive technical knowledge allows us to be among the first to develop and introduce wireless transmission technology, which will benefit small and medium-sized enterprises and bring more efficient security. Last year, we released 4 cameras in our wireless series. This year, we are bringing you new and improved wireless products: Hero, Picoo, and Cube. Let's go into more detail about the advanced features and different application scenarios where the products can be used. The first product we bring you is the Hero series. As I mentioned before, wireless connectivity is becoming more popular. Hero uses a wireless Wi-Fi connection, so you don't need any extra cables for signals. Just give it power and you can set it up anywhere you'd like. Hey, are you all right? Let me call you some help. Hey, boss, where's the first aid kit?
On the table in the back room.
Okay. As the name suggests, Hero quickly responds to your calls. In this upgrade, we've included a button on the front of the Hero device. If there is an emergency, simply press the button. If you have the DMSS app installed on your phone, it can receive a call notification. All you have to do is accept the call, and then you can have a conversation with the person on the other end of the Hero, just like that. Hey, boss, where's the first aid kit? Of course, you can also use the DMSS app to call Hero. While on the call, you can also use the app to control the movement of the camera, enabling a broader view of the surroundings and a clearer understanding of the scene. This means that you can have a two-way conversation instead of just watching one way. In a commercial business scenario, on-site shop assistants can reach out to the manager when they come across challenging issues, allowing them to deal with problems in a practical and efficient manner. In the event of an unexpected occurrence, like a loud noise from a falling object, it may be challenging to immediately press the call button due to potential injury or obstructed pathways. Don't panic. The Hero camera can detect loud noises and will notify the user through the DMSS app to address the situation promptly, like this. avoid further loss and damages. The next feature can be very useful for business owners. For example, a gym owner. We've upgraded the AI algorithm so that it can better identify humans. When a person appears, the system will put a frame around them. The same goes for pets. If a cat or dog shows up, they will also be framed. This shows that the hero recognizes a person or animal's presence. The DMSS app will then send a notification to the user's phone, allowing them to maintain a pleasant environment for their clients and their furry friends. Isn't that amazing? Here's something even more amazing. When the camera records a person or pet, instead of shooting a fixed area, the camera adjusts its position to track their movements, giving the user a clear picture of what is happening. You can now view your pet's full movement paths through the DMSS app. Imagine being able to check your pet at home while you're tired at work. Just the thought of seeing your fur baby can brighten your mood and energize you. That's the beauty of a PT camera. It provides a wide range of coverage. Our PT camera has 360-degree viewing range and can rotate both horizontally and vertically. Of course, if you're already back at home or you don't need to be alerted, you can also physically mask the camera with DMSS to protect your privacy. So that was an introduction to our Hero series. Now let's take a look outdoors. The new technology found in the Hero PT camera is also present in the Picoo series. This time, we bring two Picoo series products, B1 and A2. When we need more surveillance, we often need multiple cameras to capture different angles and areas, like the museum behind me. 3 cameras are used to capture images of the 3 front entrances. Apps also need to be configured with multiple cameras. Instead, use Picoo 1. It can achieve 360-degree spot patrol. Just set up a few angles you want to patrol. Picoo can automatically patrol these points. You can also set the patrol mode and patrol speed through the app. With Picoo, you can achieve coverage from left to right and from top to bottom at any angle. The dome-shaped Picoo is primarily designed for outdoor use, especially in patio or open-air settings. That's why we've included a vehicle recognition function in the Picoo camera series. This means that when a vehicle appears on the screen, the AI will automatically detect and highlight the vehicle. When the camera detects that a person or vehicle is moving within its range, it tracks the person or vehicle until it leaves the frame. The camera will then return to its original position. Oh yeah, by upgrading AI systems, we can better identify and ignore interference caused by leaves, dust, flying insects, and other irrelevant objects, which can help minimize false alarms and disturbances. Picoo series products have 4 illuminators on the side of the camera. 2 are infrared and 2 are warm lights. The warm lights have 2 functions. They provide light to the area and improve the color of the picture. When a target enters the warning area, the lights and buzzer on the camera will activate. Deter potential intruders through light and sound. This product also has a built-in mic and speaker. In addition to scaring off intruders with alarm sounds, you can also visit the real-time monitoring page on the DMSS app and demand the intruders to leave. Change surveillance from simply recording evidence to actively preventing losses. As for the infrared lights, they allow the camera to maintain clear surveillance when the warning area remains untriggered, thus reducing excessive light pollution, preventing conflicts between neighbors, and promoting better sleep at night. Wouldn't you agree? You don't need to worry about the quality of the image at night. The Picoo product family supports a maximum resolution of 5 megapixels, providing a brighter and clearer picture without missing any details. In addition to all the features we mentioned earlier, it has a high waterproof and dustproof rating as an outdoor camera. It can withstand harsh environments such as rain, snow, fog, and dust, ensuring 24/7 operation in all types of weather. Naturally, you can fully trust Dahua. Dahua continuously surpasses itself in device performance and takes the greatest care and effort to protect user safety in network information security. Our system's technical capabilities also provide you with more cost-effective solutions. As mentioned earlier, the continuous 24/7 operation of our system may lead to a large amount of video data storage. It is well known that hard drives and SD cards can be pretty pricey. However, we use H.265 encoding technology to allocate fewer resources for encoding static scenes and surveillance while maintaining good clarity for moving objects in the scene. This significantly reduces the overall amount of data used for the video. So, if the picture stays the same, the video bandwidth and storage space are reduced by 50%. As the user, you can confidently choose SD card, NVR, and cloud storage with smaller, more suitable capacity than before, saving a significant amount of money. Speaking of smaller, it's time we introduced a compact camera, the Cube. Look at how small it is. The Cube only weighs 90 grams, but it has a very clever and practical design, which is its magnetic base that attaches to the compact body. When you're working in temporary monitoring situations, or when you have items that require special attention, the Cube can provide a very convenient experience. Its magnetic base easily attaches to metal surfaces, just like this. Wow, that's pretty cool. This gives you the freedom to put the camera wherever you want. In outdoor areas where necessary facilities are unavailable, you can quickly create a temporary secure environment by connecting a power bank and Wi-Fi. A 10,000 milliampere power bank can support a Cube camera for 5 hours. Isn't that cool? The round structure between the base and the main unit is well cushioned, allowing it to float at any angle without needing manual adjustment, which makes it very comfortable. It's incredible that such a small device also has a microphone and speaker, which allows for easy two-way communication using the DMSS app. Because of its microphone, the Cube can also achieve the same abnormal sound detection function as Hero. If a loud noise is detected, the device will notify the user through a pop-up message on the DMSS app to check it promptly. When the device is no longer needed, the privacy mode can be easily activated by using the DMSS app's one-click privacy mode. There are more usage scenarios waiting for you to explore. We hope our products can bring you higher quality security services. Thank you for choosing Dahua Wireless cameras. See you next time.
Dahua Wireless series has newly launched 4 products: Hero B1, Cube A1, Picoo A2, and Picoo B1 to meet the urgent needs of the market and users. The newly released functions at this press conference include the one-click proactive call function for true two-way talk on the indoor PT camera Hero B1, the preset patrol function for Hero and Picoo to monitor multiple locations with one camera, and the Cube's magnetic mounting base for its sleek and flexible installation. The above products all support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth pairing. If you have any questions about functions, you can contact us after the press conference. After conducting thorough market research and collecting user feedback, we have identified the following 3 challenges users face when using devices. In response, we have optimized and improved the product to address users' concerns. First, urgent communication issue. When someone near the device urgently needs to contact the phone user, devices lacking a one-click proactive call function cannot promptly reach out to the app user if the user is not constantly checking the phone, leading to the delayed response in emergencies. Don't worry, Hero B1 with one-click proactive call function can solve this problem. This allows the camera to initiate a call directly to the user's phone. ensuring prompt communication in emergencies. Second, complex camera installation. Users often struggle with installing the camera and changing its position to suit their monitoring needs, limiting the flexibility of the security camera. To solve this problem, we have introduced the magnetic base. This innovative design allows users to easily mount and remount the camera, enabling more flexible monitoring solutions based on their specific requirements. Third, limited monitoring capacity. A single camera often cannot effectively monitor multiple locations, necessitating the deployment of multiple cameras, which can be costly. Therefore, the new function Preset Patrol perfectly solves this problem. Only one camera is needed to effectively monitor multiple locations, thereby reducing the cost of deploying multiple cameras.
Dahua's network camera employ a range of advanced security technologies, including security certification authorization, access control protocol, trusted protection, encrypted transmission, and encrypted storage. These technologies enhance the camera's defense against external network threats and prevent malicious programs for damaging devices. Our products have ISO 27001 and ISO 27701 Information Security Management System certification, as well as overseas product certification.
Our newly released products feature the following ease of use optimizations. First one is hand-wear enhancements. Word changing ports have been upgraded to Type-C for more convenient charging. The Cube A1 features a magnetic base, allowing to flexible mounting on any magnetic metal surface. Second, optimized networking process. We have added Bluetooth pairing, making it easier for devices to be detected and selected. When both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on a mobile phone, the pairing process can be completed within 1 minute, greatly simplifying the process and making it easier for users to operate. 3. Mobile app interface enhancements. The upgraded interface provides a more user-friendly experience while retaining the original concise style. The interface has been upgraded for aesthetic and usability, making it easier for users to operate and use the functions of the app. We provided detailed user guidance to make the functional classification more intuitive and provide users with a more enjoyable visual experience.
So for the Hero B1, the design inspiration is drawn from the image of a friendly snowman. The rounded and gentle design conveys an amiable and inviting feelings. It's not only a practical camera, but also a fascinating piece of art, adding warmth and fun to every environment it's placed in. And for the Picoo B1, the modern and simple contours create a rounded, plumb aesthetic, the oval antennas on both sides, resembling two upright little ears, add a touch of liveliness and charm to the overall design, making the product even more appealing and approachable. And for the Cube A1, the slick lines and smooth contour create an overall rounded shape. The large infrared light transmission area demonstrates the powerful performance of the large viewport. The crisp and clean curved shape of the base gives the overall product a more stable and energetic appearance.